share a project whose name is AI-based talking digital periodic classification of elements. Then in this project, there are many advantages of this project. For example, it helps in scientific researches, it reduces human error, and moreover it is more accurate, and its consistency is very good. And ma'am, it also helps students to grasp complex concepts. So there are many options here. For example, if I want to know about electronic configuration of any element, I will type the option 1, and then you can say any element name. Now I will give here and enter. It will show electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Now if I want to know about the block of elements, so I will write the option 2 here, and any element. For example, if I give magnesium Mg, it will show that it is a S block element, and will show all the features of S block element. And ma'am, since it is a talking based AI model, so it is very beneficial for visually impaired people.